Hello guys, today I'm gonna create a nude look for y'all. So before starting the makeup, the four things are very compulsory to do it. It's like cleansing, toning, moisturizing and a primer, and then we can start with the makeup. So here I'm starting with the cleansing part. Just have a look. I'm using a Nivea cleansing milk over here for cleansing. So we'll massage a little so that it removes all the dirt from our face, below the eyes, above the eyes. Here's the tissue, we'll clean. To clean it very nicely so that no dirt is left on our face. So after cleansing, we will do toning, and toning is compulsory because during cleansing the pores gets open. So while toning, the pores gets closed. Just a second. We'll take a cotton pad. I'm using boutique toner over here and just tap. It really smells good. After toning, we'll do a step that is, so here I have used Emollient moisturizer on my face, and you've seen that it's totally absorbed on my face. I really like this moisturizer a lot. It is really very nice. So now I'm using a Benefit, just a minute. So now I'm using Benefit, Benefit primer to prime my face. This I'll take in a palette. If you just take a little quantity, I'm taking pat brush to do this. Here I've primed my face with Benefit primer. So my 4 steps are complete, that is cleansing, toning, moisturizing and a primer. So now we'll start with the makeup. Here I am using Forest Essentials lip balm, which is in rose flavor. Here it is. I really like this a lot. It's a lip balm. We use lip balm so that our lips don't get dry. So now I'll do a corrector on my under eye, and for this I'm using Kryolan D30 orange corrector for my under eye dark circle. So we'll conceal our eyes first before applying the makeup. So here I'm using LA Pro Girl Pure Beige Concealer, which suits on my skin type. Here it is. Here's the beauty blender of PEC, from which I'll blend it. See how nicely it gets blending. Before starting the makeup, this PEC beauty blender you have to keep near your tap and squeeze it so that it opens it nicely. It gets fluffy. देखा कितना अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो गया है. See? On top of this, you have to put a powder, this translucent powder, but I'm using a banana powder of PAC. For this I have PAC 103 brush. Just tap it. See? So I'll start with my eye makeup first. I love to do my eye makeup first because the dust, the powder, वो सब नीचे गिरता है आँख के नीचे और वो सब लाइक बहुत गंदा हो जाता है अगर फेस का मेकअप पहले करते हैं तो पहले मैं प्रेफर करती हूँ हमेशा से कि आई मेकअप पहले करा जाए और फिर फेस मेकअप. सो आई विल स्टार्ट So I have rose gold palette of Huda Beauty, and I'm starting to do my eye makeup now. So here I'm taking a henna color, brown henna color from rose gold palette, a dark brown color for my deep setting of the eyes. Just see how I'm doing it. See just how lovely it's looking. Can you see the difference? Same I'll do on the other eye. Blend it very nicely so that it looks very natural. See? So as we are doing a nude makeup, I'll do a pink nude for you. Okay? So I'll use this color on my eyelid, this color from rose gold palette of Huda Beauty. Just tap. See how beautiful it looks. So pigmented, it's so nice, it blends very nicely, it's so nice, such a nice color. Can you see the difference between two eyes? Such a nice color. Can you see how natural and how cute it looks? Same I'll do on the other side. You just have to tap. You don't have to blend it like that. You just have to tap, 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 tap on your eyelid. That's it. If you use good products, the pigments are already really very good. Can you just see how it looks amazing? Just see how beautiful it looks. Just see. So amazing. So now I'll just do little dark, my dip setting which we have done on the previous line. I'll just do little darker. See how amazing it looks. See, brown and pink combination, brown dip setting and pink on the eyelid, and you can just see how beautiful the makeup looks of eyes. You just see it, it's a nude eye makeup and how superb it looks. So now I'm putting liner on my eyelid, on my eyes, and for that I'm using a Bobbi Brown eyeliner. Here it is. Don't keep the liner, gel liner open, just take it and close it. See how beautiful the liner looks. It's so amazing. See, now once I line this and it's looking so amazing. So I'll do the liner on the second eye also. Like this. So I'm done with my liner also. It was Bobbi Brown liner. Now I'm doing my brows. I'm doing it from Anastasia Beauty Hills Brow Definer. You can see it. It's Anastasia. I'm done with it. Now I'm using Huda Beauty mascara. Here it is, my Huda Beauty mascara. One side it's volume, it's for volume, and one side is for curl and curl and length. Volume and curl and length. So we'll put the volume one. See how pretty it's looking. Sorry. Can you see it how pretty it's looking? So now we'll put the foundation on our face. For foundation I'm using Estee Lauder foundation, double wear. Its number is 391 Ivory Beige. I'm using that foundation on my face. Here it is. So I'm applying the foundation on my face, which is Estee Lauder. I really like the Estee Lauder foundation, the Sephora foundation, the Milani foundation. All that are really very good foundations, which I like to use it. Nicely I've applied it. We have to not apply under eye because under eye will apply the concealer. So now from the beauty blender I'll just blend all my foundation and just look how it looks. You just have to tap, just tap it. Do not scratch it. The blender removes all the excess products that you have used. See how nicely it gets blends. I'm using a peg blender and that is really very nice. I'll just tie my hair. It's coming in between a cane and a cane. Now I can do my makeup nicely and you can see it nicely. See, it blends so nicely. Can you see the difference? It's really nice. Such nicely it blends. I really like this blender a lot. So now I'll use a concealer for my under eye, which is same concealer which I used on my upper lid, which is LA Girl Pure Beige Concealer, Pure Conceal Balm. This one. I really like the LA Girl concealer a lot. So I've applied it. Sorry. To apply on the forehead, on the nose, ear, and on the cheek. The highlighters area it is to apply the concealer. Same, we will blend it with the beauty blender. See, such a nice finish it has. See, it blends so well. I'll put little more, as I guess, and I like to put some more concealer and blend it nicely. Just you have to tap it, nothing else. Just tap, tap, tap. And then we'll put the powder to settle it, to settle the concealer. I'll use the blender only for the powder. See, such nicely it blends. For rest of the face, I'll use this pack brush 211. It's powder brush. Just tap, tap, tap. If you're using a cream bronzer, then do it later after bronzing it, after contouring it, sorry. So if you're using a contour to contour powder contour, then you can powder it and then on that you can do the contouring. See, such a nude and cute, nice makeup. So I'll apply a liner now, which is again a Huda Beauty liner. It comes with both sides. One side is liquid liner and second side is liner pencil liner. Let's get with the liner also and the kajal also. So here it's kajal and we'll put it under eye. See, such a nice. So I want to do a under eye black eyeshadow. So for that I'm using again the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and the black color is here with the PAC 208 brush. You just have to tap a little, that's it. You don't have to do this all. Just tap little, that's it. And see how nice it looks. Same on the other eye. Just tap little. Actually, something I do on my eyes and my eyes get watery. So sorry. See? I just like to do some more over here. See? Such a nice color. Now I'll show you contouring, blush, highlighter, lipsticks and everything. So first we'll start with the highlighter, which again I use of Benefit Hoola Benefit highlighter, Hoola Benefit bronzer. I'm really sorry, I'm using a bronzer to contour it. Hoola Benefit bronzer, which for that I'm using PAC 380 brush. This is the one, Hoola Benefit bronzer. It's a powder based bronzer. Have to pout. I'll contour my nose as well. On this brush only. So my contouring part is over. Now I'll go on my blush. For blush, I'm using K Beauty by Katrina Kaif, and the color is Coral Charm, and I really like this color. I'll show you. Here it is. Here it is. This is the color I use for my blushing. Now I'm using a highlighter, which is Milani highlighter. I really like this highlighter a lot. It's very pigmented. It's really very nice. I really love this highlighter. It's used on the cheekbone. use on the nose, on the eyelids, on the brow line. I really love this highlighter. See how nice it looks. I'll show you how pigmented it is. I'll swatch and show you how pigmented it is. See, I really love this highlighter. For lipstick, I'm using Nykaa Ultra Matte lipstick, which is in the shade of Marilyn. It's a red lipstick. I'll show. And I really love this shade. I really love this shade a lot. It's a matte lipstick from Nykaa. It's really very nice. So finally the makeup is over and it's the time for makeup fixer, and I like this Smashbox setting spray for makeup fixing, and I'll put that. I really love this a lot. It's really nice. So this is my final look, after makeup look, which I have created. The nude simple look, which I really liked it. How much you liked it, just comment it. Subscribe on my channel. Thanks. Bye bye. So friends, this is my final look which I have created. So you know what all products I have used, how I have created, what your brush I have used. So this is my final look. I'm standing in ring light and this is my final look I've created. Do share, comment, subscribe. Just comment which all looks you would like to see. I'll do the looks which you wanted to see, different type of looks. Just let me know. Thank you.